Okay, guys. So this is a 2004 Audi A4, and I'm gonna show you right now the two-step on this car. Go on the back. Take a look inside. Take a look inside. Let me start it.
Oh, nice.
Bro,
Manual.
make sure no cops right there.
I
Just
got
look around, okay? Let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead, bro. Yeah.
Goes loud.
Very loud, bro.
Launch control. Bro, a lot of people got scared, bro.
That's it?
Yeah.